welcome back to my channel. It's Irene and I hope you're all having an amazing day. Today's video is going to be another Sezane video. I have a huge order here that I will be reviewing for you. I will be unboxing it. One of them is already open and deciding whether or not I'll keep them and talk about the pieces. So everything that I'm trying on in this video is going to be linked down in the description box below if you're interested. And now let's go to the video. So I'll try the pieces on and I'll tell you in the end of the video which ones I keep and I don't keep because I need to think about it a little bit and I'll probably decide after filming this video. Alright, let's start with this box that I haven't opened yet. These new boxes from Sezane open like this and it's really annoying because it always ends up ripping off also the bottom when you're supposed to just rip this. As you can see, it comes off too and then it's hard to return it. It's harder to pack it, and also the previous boxes were prettier and they were also easier to reuse because you would turn it inside out and it would have that beautiful design on it. But now these are just full of shipping etiquettes and everything, so nobody can reuse that. Alright, so let's see. It comes with this beautiful paper as usual. Inside, like a cake. I love when brands do that and you get to open it. Mine is a little bit ripped, but still. So the first piece is the Grand t-shirt. I talked about it in my previous Sezane video in my wish list, so I ordered it to be able to try it. I will link the other video somewhere on the screen if you want to watch it after this one. What I found interesting is the neckline, which is really pretty, and I love the button details. I don't like simple t-shirts, so I really appreciate these little details and touches that Sezane adds to their t-shirts and makes elegant pieces still accessible and easy to care for. And it said écru, which is off-white on the website, but I think this looks more like a true white in real life. The next piece is this gorgeous crochet top that is simply beautiful. Look at that color. It's so special. It has a weight which makes it feel expensive. It has beautiful button closure in the back. Also, by the way, it comes with shorts too. I will link them below. I just prefer to order the top only, and I love the way it looks with my linen pants. The only thing is that I live in a very, very hot climate, and as good as this might have been for the spring season, for the summer, for me it's too hot. It's so beautiful, but I don't think I'll be keeping it, even though I really love it. Okay, so this next piece is one that I'm really excited about. It's these shorts in this amazing shade of pink. I used to not be a pink person at all, but I bought a dress last year that was kind of cherry pink and turned out so beautiful on my skin tone that now I'm obsessed, and I ordered this hoping that it will look kind of like that too. It also comes in cream, but I already have a cream pair of shorts, so I wanted to try this one with the patterns. As I already talked about in one of my previous videos, I like to focus on fancy bottoms, simple tops, since I sweat and things just get dirty and I don't want to have high maintenance clothes in the summer. I just want to have elegant ones that I can easily wash and change as necessary, and this is one of those perfect examples. I also love the cut, the big pocket. It gives vintage vibes and the fit is amazing too. There's also a pocket in the back. I would give this a 9.5, if not a 10. It's really gorgeous. I also ordered a belt and in a moment you will see it paired with the belt as well. So the next piece is this belt. It came in a beautiful little dust bag, which I appreciate because I don't like belts when they open up in my drawers and mess everything up. So that's appreciated. And it has this beautiful raffia material, and I'm a vegan, so I don't use real leather. I either use vegan leather, or I also really love raffia bags and belts, etc. It has these beautiful scalloped details and it has a gold buckle, and the quality seems really nice, and I tried it on with these shorts that I just showed you. And I mean, I'm not sure if I'll be keeping it because as beautiful as it is, I'm not sure if I have enough bottoms that go well with it, and I feel like I'm petite, so the buckle seems a little too big on me. So since I'm not very sure, I'll think about it, but probably I'll return this one. Next we have this beautiful Marisa top. I think this comes in cream as well, but I chose black. I really love it. The neckline seems so elegant. I'm not sure if I'll keep it or not. I still have to think about it. I really like it. It's comfortable, it's breathable, airy, so perfect for the climate where I live as well. The next items are these gorgeous shorts. These are the main attraction for me. I already know that I'm gonna be keeping them because I've been looking for shorts that aren't too casual and, you know, like what everybody else wears. I've been wanting some shorts that have these little details, special vintagey inspirations, and I love the buttons in the front. I love the shade of blue and it fits so well. I bought one time some shorts from Rouge. They were in denim fabric too, and they were so uncomfortable at the thighs. When I sat down, it would really squeeze my thighs. I ended up selling them, so I really appreciate this cut. It's really comfortable, and also I really like the buttons in the front because I've already seen similar shorts to these, or like generally bottoms, and they have always these ugly 80s inspired tacky gold buttons that are super big, and it's a no-no for me. So I really appreciate these more natural looking buttons as well. So that was all in that box. Now to the next box. This one I already opened without knowing that I was gonna make this video. So I really needed a swimsuit, so I ordered a pair of a bikini set, and it came with these beautiful dust bags. It says Sezane for Ise. Ise is a French lingerie brand that also makes swimwear, and they tend to be really good quality. I already tried their products, so I am excited to try these on too. So they have the same pattern and color as these shorts. That tells you how much I love the color and pattern in these. These are the bottoms. And this is the bralette, the top. I really like the bow details on top and the large straps for the shoulders, because I think it just adds more elegance and a bit more shape and structure to the bikini top. And the fit is really perfect. Even the top, I'm a part of the itty bitty titty community, so it fits me perfectly. I think that this is a flattering shape, at least for my body type, and very comfortable as well. I don't like ones that tie at the neck because it gives you neck pain, so I prefer the ones that tie at the shoulders. I wasn't sure about the bottoms because I'm really used to having either really high-waisted bottoms or really low-waisted bottoms. So at least ones that plunge downwards toward the middle and then go higher toward the waist on the sides. And this one kind of cuts at an awkward placement for me just because I'm not used to it. So between the belly button and the hip bones, which to me is something I'm not used to. So I took a lot of time to think about this, and in the end when I wore it today and seeing it on camera how it looks on me, I really like it. And I'll soon be going on vacation in Puglia and Amalfi, so I really need an elegant bikini. I'm really not sure if I'll keep the bikini or the shorts. Let me know in the comments down below your thoughts, because I'm really divided, but I love both of them equally. Out of this order, my absolute favorite pieces are the bikini, the two shorts, and the crochet top. But honestly, that is just like my top favorite, because it's really rare for me to order a lot of things from Sezane and truly love every single one of the pieces. But these ones, they are all like 9s and 10s, so it's really hard to choose. So these are all my pieces that I'm trying on today. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, remember to give it a like, comment your thoughts down below, and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're interested in any of these pieces, as usual, they are linked in the description box below. And thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. Bye!